Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the car derived van. This is a Ford Fiesta. This is a 2019 model which comes with 38,000 miles upon the clock. Now this does come with two cloth-lined seats, hands-free cooling, voice assist, cruise control upon the interior, as well as audio, radio, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, air conditioning, a 6-speed manual transmission. And I will just show you the load area at the back as well. As you can see, it is rather spacious for such a small vehicle. Interior lit at the back here. There are some cargo rings dotted about to tie down any loads you may want to carry, as well as a meshed bulkhead, which is very good for this vehicle, as it does also come with a rear window. So for a van to have a rear window, it really maximises the visibility with this thing. And it's blinking quick. If you would like to find out more about this vehicle, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk.